Good afternoon. So this is Mr. Michael B. Nunez. So what I'm going to do this afternoon is to report on the Microsoft Office Edition as part of the requirement for the computer education subject. So to start properly with my report, so this is about Microsoft Office Edition. So Microsoft Office is an office suite for applications, servers, and services developed by Microsoft. Each program serves a different purpose and is compatible with other programs included in the package. The stated program is compatible most common form of software used in the Western world. So there are several editions of Microsoft Office. First, we have started on November 1990. The Microsoft Office for Windows is released otherwise that is known as the Office 1.0. As part of the package, they have this Office 1.0, which is the Word 1.1, also the Excel 2.0 and the PowerPoint 2.0. In the same year as this released, Microsoft becomes the first company to exceed $1 billion in sales in 1 year. On August 30, 1992, Microsoft Office 3.0 is also released on CD-ROM, including the following. We have the Word 2.0C, Excel 4.0A, PowerPoint 3.0, and Microsoft Mail. This hugely popular version of Microsoft Office would later be rebranded from the Microsoft Office 3.0 to Office 92. Now, on June 2, 1994, Microsoft Office 4.3 is also released, which features about the following. We have the Word 6.0, Excel 5.0, PowerPoint 4.0, and Mail 3.0, plus Access 2.0 in the Pro version. 4.3 is the last 16-bit version and the last to support Windows 3.x, Windows NT 3.1, and the Windows NT 3.5. Next, also on August 30, 1995, the Office 95 is also released, coinciding with the release of Windows 95 operating system. Works only on Windows 95 NT 3.51 or higher. This is the first Office version to have the same version number for all major component products, that is, the Word and others. Now, on December 30, 1997, Office 97 was also released, featuring the following. We have the Word 97, Excel 97 also, the PowerPoint 97, and Mail 97, Office 97. This was published on CD-ROM as well as on a set of 3.5-inch floppy disk. It became Y2K with the service release too. On January 27, 1999, Office 2000 was also released, featuring Word, PowerPoint, and Excel 2000. This was the latest version to support Windows 95 and the last Office version that did not include product activation and was not covered by the Office Genuine Advantage. Also on May 31, 2001, the Office XP was released, featuring Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in 2002. This is the last version to support Windows 98, Windows Me, and Windows NT 4.0. It also features improved support for working in restricted accounts in Windows 2000 XP. Also on November 17, 2003, Office 2003 was released, featuring the Word, PowerPoint, and Excel 2003. This is the last version to support Windows 2000 and the first Microsoft Office to introduce Windows XP style icons, which would be common in future edition of Office. On January 30, 2007, Office 2007 was released featuring 2007 version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Office 2007 is broadly released alongside Windows Vista and contains an entirely new graphical user interface referred to as the Fluent User Interface. On June 15, also 2010, Office 2010 was released, featuring user interface updates, extended file format support, and a changed user experience. It's the first version to ship in both 32 and 64 bits and is the debut of free online version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Office 365 was also released in 2012. This Microsoft Office 365 offers secure, anywhere access to email and calendars, Office web applications, messaging, conference, and file sharing. Office 365 is a cloud-based application, making it easy to communicate, create, and share in the cloud. On January 29, 2013, a new clean interface, a radical pricing model, and seamless Office SkyDrive integration are the key features in Office 2013. So we also have on September 22, 2015, the Microsoft Office 2016, and this was the last version to support Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2000 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2012 R2, and Windows Server 2016. It released on September 22, 2015. So that's all about my report. And thank you. I hope you gained something with my report.